If you have a remote business or you're thinking about starting one, these are 3 must-have tools if you want to run it efficiently. If you don't know who I am, my name is Sergio. Me and Johnny actually have a portfolio of companies doing over 7 figures a year, and most of those are remote businesses. So let's get into it. So these 3 tools are going to help so much with systems in your operations, especially if you're running it remotely from another country, but you can also run remotely from the States. So the first one is Notion. So Notion is a great tool to have if you have multiple people on your team, because this is a place where all your systems and processes can live, and it's super clean. It's almost kind of like a Google Drive on steroids because it'll just look so nice and organized. We use this for all of our businesses so we can have all processes in one place. So if an employee needs to know how to do something, they can find it in there, and it's almost like an employee handbook. It's also good for generating reports. Some of our employees have to keep track of certain metrics, and when we have a weekly meeting, I can just look at those numbers and see how are we doing. So Notion is a great place to have those reports. I'm going to go into how we use it for our window cleaning business. So you can see right here, this is the admin hub, and this is where our virtual assistant that basically answers all the calls and deals with the schedule can see how to do things, and then also keep track of her day as far as her daily log goes. So these are all of her tasks that she needs to get done throughout the day, and then she can also keep track of metrics that are key to growing the business. So that's, revenue booked, that are jobs being scheduled, that's reviews that we're getting. So she can track all of that, and it goes into her daily KPIs, and I can just quickly go and see that on a weekly basis and see how are we doing as a business by looking at those KPIs. If she needs to learn how to do a certain script, she can go in here and read that. So basically it's a great way to manage how things are done and also daily reporting. Now number 2 is Loom. That is the software I actually use to record the Notion video on my computer, and what it does is it helps you screen record things that you're doing on your computer, and it also shows your face if you want to, and it makes it super easy to explain how to do things. So instead of just having a bullet list of how to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, you can have that and then supplement it with a quick video, making like a 2-minute video on how to do this, and that's how you can explain things more in depth, and they can watch that video and see exactly how to do it. This is a super helpful tool, especially if you're running a remote team, because you don't have that personal connection. So it makes it way easier to explain how to do things without having to get on a call, every 10 minutes or 10 times a day. You can just send over a quick Loom video on how to do something or explaining something, and they can get the point across. Similar to Notion, they have a free trial, and then they have a business plan, which is $8 a month, which is super cheap. These tools are very affordable, and it can make a huge impact on your business. Now for number 3, it's Dialpad. Now basically what this is a cloud-based phone system, so that instead of having to get calls directly to your phone, you can get them through the cloud, and then it forwards the call to you, or it forwards it to your receptionist or your virtual assistant. So this makes it super easy to have a phone system that can basically get calls or make calls from anywhere in the world. Dialpad is super affordable, $15 to $25 a person, and it's going to make a huge difference in the way that you run your phone system on a remote business. So those are the 3 tools that you need to basically efficiently run your remote business. And I just wanted to mention, it actually isn't a paid advertisement. Like, I actually use these in our businesses, and I think they're super helpful and affordable. So if you're starting a business or you already have one that's remote, these can really change the game for you. So look into getting these, and if you want to learn more about remote businesses, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and follow for more. See you in the next one. Peace.